Hey, 6,001 subscribers. Yeah, I took the screenshot late because I was studying for a math quiz. Okay, come on. Come on, you can't expect me to always be looking at my sub count. So I was going to make a 5k special once I hit 5k, but I didn't really have a good video idea for it, and I had like 2 weeks, and oh, it's 6k now. Damn, that is fast. So thanks for 6k. I really didn't think I'd get this far on YouTube. So what's a good special we can do for 6,000 subscribers? Well, I think it'd be cool to look at my first coding project, or first public coding project, ResQ. I know the title says it's my first coding project, but then the thumbnail would be too long and I need clickbait to pay the bills. Alright, so first, I think before we can delve into ResQ's code, we first have to think about how ResQ is going to function, aka punch it out beforehand. So first, we're going to need an Rs. When you click her, two things will happen. One, she says something, or audio plays, and two, it increases your score. Once you have enough points, you can go upgrade by clicking a button. These upgrades get more expensive over time too, but we can go through all that later. There should be a way we can visualize how many times we've upgraded, but that'll also be for later because visualization is going to be kind of hard. Alright, so adding Iris is easy. First, we make a box to put this little goober in. Aww. In that box, we have the title, score, upgrade button, and most importantly, another box, and that's where we put Iris. So in the script file, we first need to tell it that the score displayer, Iris, the container, upgradable buttons, we need to tell it that it even exists. Once we do that, we can make basic code for getting Iris to be clickable. And here's the code for that. Now, you may be wondering, Chiken, that's a lot more than score plus equals 1. And you're right. In fact, that isn't even a line of a code in here. So why is that? Well, every time you click Iris, your score goes up, yes? So you're going to have to check if your score is now enough to upgrade. So we should... Why is that line of code before? Well, first, you want to update your score. Then you want to check if you can upgrade the button. In that function, I already have a check for it, so we don't have to do anything. Then we want to update the score display so it displays the correct amount. We also want to play a sound here. And wait, why the fuck did I put update upgrade button twice? Anyways, so now I should tell you how update upgrade button works. So here's the code for that. Yes, I know it's Yandev code. Read the title of the video, like what did you expect? So if your click count is less than upgrade cost, upgrade button will stay or be disabled. It sets the background to light gray and that's it. So what happens when we click upgrade button? Well, we first alter the upgrade cost to the next level, do an unnecessary if statement that checks if it... Wait, but I already have a check for that, what the fuck? So after reviewing old code and deleting that, now we add Iris. This adds a new GIF to a random position that I'm too lazy to explain. I made her get smaller per upgrade just so it doesn't get too crazy and cluttered. But honestly, I could remove that for later and make it funnier. This part of the code is just so she behaves like the original. And we append it to the container and that increases Iris count and that's it. I should honestly check if Iris count is equal to 10 after here in this function instead of update upgrade button. So it doesn't check every click. I'm too lazy to do that. Oh yeah, the volume slider. I should probably add that for most of my background music for my other projects, but I'm too lazy. Uh-oh. So the volume slider, the first thing that we should go over is what it looks like in HTML. So if you look at HTML, there's going to be input type equals range, and that is basically just the volume slider. And we have a min of 0 and a max of 100, and the default value to 30. And the ID is right there, and we need that ID for the script. What the script says to do is to actually get the input of the volume slider, which you're going to use with add event listener. And inside add event listener, there's going to be background music.volume, which gets the background music, and background music 1 is Usagi Plap. Wait, no, I meant flap. I meant flap. And that's the volume slider. It's not that much code, although it looks pretty complicated. Yeah, it's easier than it looks. One thing I do want to go over is the credits modal. So when you click the credits button, everything is kind of like blocked, and if you click anywhere on the screen or if you click the X button, then it closes. I use this a lot actually for all my other projects now, especially Mika GPT, Miyako GPT as like its first alert. So I think we should go over that real quick. So the modal itself is already part of the HTML code, and it's inside a modal, obviously. And for the credits button here, if we go into the script, there's an event listener for clicks, and once we click the credit button, it's going to actually display the credits modal as block. What does block do? I forgot. You can just Google it. And the close button.event listener is for closing it. Same thing for window.event listener. If the target is the credits modal, which it will be if the credits modal is up, it will shut it down. Yeah, it's really simple. It's very clean, which I really like. So I use this for a lot of my other projects too. And I think that's it. I mean, for the Usagi flap feature, it just checks for a control key being down and then a U key being pressed down. Then that prevents the original function from happening, and then it plays Usagi flap instead. That about sums up my first public coding project. Honestly, apart from just a bit of inefficient code, it wasn't too bad. The fact that I can look at some of these problems now and actually be able to detect them and then have possible fixes for them shows that I grew a lot in the past 3 months. Wait, 3 months? Damn, that's fast. Anyways, this is where I usually should put the thanks for 6k subs. So yeah, thanks for 6,000 subscribers. Couldn't have done it without you all because subscribers needs actual people. But in all seriousness, thank you guys a lot. I've really wanted to do YouTube. Shut the fuck up, Chaikin. I looked at the back of this and it's basically just me yapping about the same shit over and over. So instead of subjecting you all to endless amounts of yapping about the same shit, I made this code reusable, so I can just replace some of the files and hopefully create something new. So I'm going to create Momoiclicker and just have her say the N-word a bunch of times. Welcome to the future of gaming. This is Momoiclicker, the all-new clicker designed for any age to use. With our revolutionary non-stop engagement engineered for general audiences technology, Momoiclicker is guaranteed to have any age immediately have fun the second they have their first click. You know, kind of like a cigarette. Now, is the game approved by Nexon, Yostar, or any game publisher? Now, let's see some happy users.
Momoiclicker? 試してみました。クリックした時の音がすごく好きです。え、なんだこれは?
Yes, hello? Hello? What? We're already out of budget? Fuck, man, okay. End the commercial. Cut. Yeah. Yo, welcome to the end of the video. So, if you liked it, make sure to like, subscribe, send it to your family group chat so that they love you less. And if you didn't like it, you're at the end of the video anyways, so I don't know what you're doing here. Thanks for 6,000 subscribers. I know I said it a lot, but I'm saying it again because I really didn't think I'd make it this far because I'm just a dude that yaps about coding. So I don't really have any other announcements. I was going to announce Melly cosplay at 7,500 like a week ago, and then he releases that artwork, and yeah, it's kind of would age badly. I'm still doing it though, so yeah, Melly cosplay at 7,500. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Support me on Ko-Fi or channel memberships if you can. And if YouTube recommends me my cosplay stream at the end of the video one more time, I'm going to jump off a goddamn building.